doing a Zaful haul, unboxing, first impression, and try on. So Zaful decided to collaborate with me again, so thank you very much, Zaful. This is a small haul, so I wanted to get right into it. I'm also wearing my work clothes, so hello, this is what professional looking looks like. I just got home from work and I really wanted to make sure the sun did not go down. And so I'm here, ready to film this. I'm actually full of energy today. I really don't know why. But regardless, let's go ahead and get into it. But wait, before I do, I know a lot of you guys have questions about my size, I guess. That way you guys can compare it to your own bodies. So I am about 5'6". I weigh 110 pounds. I usually, if I want to do a true to size, small, maybe medium, but typically a small would be a really good true to size. But I definitely push it. I go for larges, extra larges. I like that baggy look. And so, you know, it's kind of all over the place. So to help you out, on the screen somewhere on here, I will include the price and the size. So again, you guys can compare it to you guys and just kind of get a better understanding of, you know, are these clothes worth it and do they fit you and how will it fit you? So I got a couple of things waiting over there, so let's go ahead and grab the bag and do a unboxing. So let's get started. Okay, so here is the first item. I already know what these are. I'm excited about them. So, you know, Lippy, always trying out the most random things. So today, here we are with these pants. Okay, so these actually might be really nice. Okay, so this is definitely more of a spandexy material, but if you can tell, they're pants with red stripes, they're wide-legged, and then at the bottom, they have these little buttons. Where are the buttons? Here they are. They have these buttons that go up to knee-high. So, you know, a little scandalous, but not really. So I think this with a black tank top. Oh, I have a black crop top. Okay, let me go grab the black crop top and let's see how they look together. But initially, I'm really impressed by the material of it. I think it's something that you would see in a Forever 21 or a Zara. So no complaints so far. And okay, let's go ahead and try it on. I had to get real low for this. So instead of the black crop top, I decided this red tube top would actually look a lot nicer, and it's probably how I would really pair it. This tube top is also from Zaful. This is just, it works, okay? So this is what the pants look like. Look how cute they are. I'm going to try my best to do a full body. Okay, so this is what they look like. The length of these pants are absolutely perfect. And I think this with some white sneakers would be a great outfit. And I don't know, I like a lot where these pants are. They are above the belly button and they're not they're not super loose. You can definitely feel there is a waistband here, so it is kind of tight. But I like how it feels. It feels snug. It feels like it's not gonna move. It's not the type of pants where it's over the belly button, but it's gonna keep falling down. It's definitely gonna stay up. And so if you wanted to do something where it's a little bit of tummy showing, which I really love that look, this would definitely be it for you. And then also, let's rip open the buttons. Okay, so this is what the buttons look like if you wanted to show them. I honestly would probably keep them buttoned just for my taste, but I like these pants. So if you like this style, I definitely recommend these. Okay, let me grab the next thing. So this is the next thing. Okay. Yes, I know what you are. Okay, this is a two-piece set. Here are the shorts right here, and then here is what, okay, so this is what the top looks like, and it looks really pretty, but my main concern when I try on a lot of things are, is it going to be see-through? Can you see me through it? Because I can see the camera through it, so I don't know. But this is what it looks like. The back is a zipper. I appreciate that. Hopefully it fits okay when I zip it up. But yeah, let me go ahead and try this on. It is this maroonish color, and it is a two-piece set. Okay, so I will be honest. In the beginning, when I pulled it out of the bag, I was like, this is cute, but how much can I rely on this? Am I gonna like it a lot because of the color and the cut? I'm actually feeling this. I'm actually impressed by it, so let me stand up. This is what it looks like, and I think it's actually super cute. So I'm a big fan of the high-waisted. We all know this, so we just need to make this high-waisted like that, and then you got the top. So the top right here, the halter of it right here is adjustable, but then the back is not. But the back didn't have as many issues as I was kind of expecting. I thought this is either gonna be super loose or super tight, but it's a little bit loose, so it's kind of comfortable, so I'm not mad at the sizing of it. And I don't know, I think it kind of looks like a very put together outfit. What do you guys think? Let me move over here so I can see the mirror. Yeah, okay, this with some wedges on a little picnic or summer something, I actually really like it. I'm very impressed. So let's see what else is here. This is another two-piece set. So I wanted to focus on like two-piece sets as much as I could. So I ended up picking these. I don't remember if I ended up picking more, but I really like this. So, okay, the next outfit, again, it looks high-waisted. We are a fan of high-waisted. This color might be see-through. You never know. I don't know. Okay, this is weird. Let's see. Oh, you're supposed to tie the strings like on the side, and then you got these shorts. Okay, I got it. Give me a second and I will try this two-piece on. But initially, like, again, I always say that, I say this all the time, quality is nice, okay? But the material is gonna be thin. But you know, it's hot, so it's okay. During the summer, it might be okay. Okay, let me try this on. Okay, so before I show you guys this one, let me be honest. So these are my first impressions. It's a little wrinkly, no worries. You can always get wrinkles out. I don't know if I love the color of this one, and I don't think there's other color options. I think if this was a darker green, maybe like more of an army green, like a darker green, forest green, I would like it a little bit more. Maybe a different color. And I like how it looks. I wish the shorts were a little bit shorter. I feel like it would do a lot to the outfit, but this is what it looks like. I do not hate it by any means. I just don't love it. I kind of feel like a green bean, but I feel like I will still definitely wear this, especially if you accessorize it properly. But it did take me a minute to figure out the strings, but it's no big deal. It took 5 minutes and I figured it out. But this is what it looks like. I just think, like, if you took it up just like that much, maybe like just an inch, I feel like it would do a lot, just because this layer right here is long. And honestly, I think it's funny because it was opposite from what I was expecting. I was more worried that this outfit would be too revealing, and I think that like it has a really good line. It just shows a little bit of your tummy. My favorite, your belly button's covered, so like I'm actually very happy. So this is what it looks like. Let's get the next side. Let's open up it. Yes, I'm so excited about this pantsuit thing. I don't know what you call it, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It feels very soft. But yes, yes it is. This is, okay, look how cute this is. This is definitely a different material than I thought. It's like a very like silky, soft material. Definitely outside of like what I would typically wear, but it is so cute, and it's yellow, and I'm not like a huge yellow person, but I was like, you know what, let's try it. Okay, I gotta hold this up, but I am so sorry. It rains every time I try to film now. It is raining right now, so sorry if the lighting got a little bit darker, and hopefully you don't hear too much thunder, but there's only this item and another one, so we are going to power through and continue filming. I love this. This is amazing. One issue right now is that this right here, the strap is not adjustable, so I'm gonna definitely have to sew it or something because this is very low for me. But like, this is what it's supposed to look like. It's very, very cute. It's just like literally like half an inch, you know, to V, and I could definitely like put a tank top underneath it. I don't know how it's gonna look with the whole vibe, but look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. And you can definitely see where the shorts are. Do you hear that? Dun dun dun. Thunder. You can definitely see where the shorts are. But like, this is the length of it. You can definitely see at the very bottom of the screen. This is the length of it. And you can definitely tell like you're going to be able to see like a little bit of like, not ankle, but like it's going to be a tad bit shorter. But I kind of feel like you can make it work if you wear like really cute, like, I don't know, sandals, and just like, ooh, look at it. Like, I love, 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 love this. Like, I feel like so like summer-esque, and I'm like feeling it with like the blondish hair, and I'm like, yes, and it's so soft. I cannot wait to do pictures in this. Like, okay, this is what it looks like. This is just a striped dress. I thought this would be actually very cute and very simple to wear. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, actually it's a very simple striped dress. I feel like this is something very comparable to like Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe. So this is what it looks like. Give me 1 second to put it on. Life is great, and this clip decided to disappear, so here I am trying it on again. This is what the dress looks like. Don't mind my background, I'm so sorry. But this is what the dress looks like, and I think it is so cute, and it's so simple, and it's just like very, very summery, like very just simple to wear. The only thing is that even with the adjustable straps, which they have, I have it all the way down, it's still very loose for me, so if I like pull this down, it definitely would be showing too much. So I gotta be careful, and I just kinda gotta keep that up. But other than that, this is what it looks like. It's so soft, so like just like a really good quality dress, and I am feeling it. And you know, like this would pretty cute wedges or shoes or like platform wedges, yes, this would be adorable. So approve of this outfit. Let me know what you think about the dress. Okay, so this is the end of the haul. I just went to apologize. I wish I could show you the background because literally it looks like death outside. It is raining, it is dark, and I'm just trying to finish this video up with a strong outro. Zaful, thank you so much for helping me with this video. I think I'm getting better at picking out items because I'm very happy with like all these items, and you know, that's kind of weird. Usually there's like one or two things at least that are like, no way, I wouldn't wear that, but like everything in here I genuinely feel like I would wear, like for sure, 100%. So I'm really happy with this haul video. And make sure, like, here's a tidbit: when you go on the website, look at pictures people post because like you can literally see how things look, and look at the reviews, check it out, see if it's like gonna work for you. And also, I mean, that's about it. If you guys want any of these products, I will leave them in the description bar down below. I will leave the website, and I think there's a couple coupon codes. Pretty sure there's a couple coupon sounds like cucumber, coupon codes that I'll put in the description bar down below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and in the comments down below, always do this. Tell me what website you want me to check out next so I can do a haul so we can figure this out together, because online shopping's hard. So I am here to make it just a little bit easier. And if you like me and in this video, please hit the subscribe button. It always means so much to me. So when you hit that subscribe button, there's also a bell icon notification button, and it will allow you to get notified every time I post, which is weekly. So if you guys want to see me next week, just hit the subscribe button. Well, okay, I'm talking a lot. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey everyone, it's Libby, and today, oh, I just touched that wall. I did not like that feeling.